Asana versus ClickUp, which project management tool actually wins? If you're trying to pick between these two, you've probably heard that Asana is great for teams, while ClickUp offers tons of features. But which one is really the best for your workflow? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to choose and if there's an even better alternative. Let's start with usability. Asana is known for its clean, intuitive interface. Setting up tasks, tracking progress, and collaborating with teams feels natural. But here's the catch, Asana keeps things simple by limiting features, so if you need advanced customization, you might feel restricted. ClickUp, on the other hand, is packed with features, custom fields, automation, mind maps, and even document creation. But that comes at a cost, a steeper learning curve. If you love flexibility, ClickUp is powerful. If you want a tool that's easy right away, Asana might be the better choice. Next thing, pricing. Asana's free plan is solid, but the good stuff, like timelines and advanced reporting, sits behind a paywall. And Asana's paid plans? Not cheap. ClickUp offers more on its free plan, and its paid tiers are generally more affordable. But the downside? ClickUp can feel cluttered. More features mean more complexity, and not every team wants to spend time tweaking settings just to get things running smoothly. The third thing, collaboration. Both tools offer task comments, mentions, and file sharing, but Asana's simplicity makes teamwork flow better. ClickUp offers more, chat, whiteboards, even time tracking, but again, more features mean more setup time. If you want a tool that just works for team projects, Asana is great. If you're managing complex workflows and need every tool in one place, ClickUp wins. The fourth thing, performance. ClickUp has had issues with speed. If you have a large workspace, expect occasional slowdowns. Asana, by comparison, is smoother, especially for basic task management. If speed and reliability matter most, Asana takes this round. Final thoughts? Both Asana and ClickUp are solid choices, but here's the truth. After testing them, I found an even better alternative for project management. If you want something that's powerful but without the clutter, check the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits, only available to our viewers. Try it out, you won't regret it.